Here are some tips that can help you sleep better. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and at a comfortable temperature. Use curtains, blinds, earplugs, or a white noise machine to help minimize disruptions. 3. Limit exposure to screens before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep. Try to avoid screen time for at least an hour before going to bed. 4. Establish a bedtime routine. Engage in soothing activities before bed to signal to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. 5. Avoid caffeine and avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Stimulants like caffeine can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Additionally, eating heavy or spicy foods right before bed may cause discomfort and make it harder to sleep. 6. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days, but try to finish exercising at least a few hours before bed, as exercising too close to bedtime can be stimulating. 7. Manage stress. High levels of stress can make it difficult to sleep well. Explore various stress management techniques such as journaling, practicing mindfulness, or listening to calming music to help relax your mind before bed. 8. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Invest in a good quality mattress, pillows, and bedding that provide adequate support and comfort for your preferences. If you continue to experience difficulties with sleep, it might be beneficial to consult with a health care professional for further guidance and evaluation.